ASIC just dropped a bombshell investigation into the credit repair industry, and frankly, it validates everything I've been saying for the past 16 years. Hi, I'm Graham Doessel, CEO of MyCRA Lawyers. This investigation doesn't just expose bad operators, it proves why choosing the right credit repair service can mean the difference between getting real results and losing your money to predators. Let me tell you what ASIC Commissioner Alan Kirkland just revealed. They're investigating around 100 debt management and credit repair companies, and what they found should terrify every Australian considering these services. High fees with zero results, broken promises to desperate people, companies that just disappear when clients need help most. Here's the part that really gets me. One woman couldn't get answers about why her debt management firm wasn't making payments to creditors. After countless calls, they told her to just file for bankruptcy. No explanation, no help, just declare bankruptcy and good luck. Another man was about to lose his car because his debt management company failed to respond to default notices. When he tried to cancel and get his money back, they said, sorry, no refunds policy. This isn't just poor service, this is predatory behaviour targeting Australia's most vulnerable people. But here's what ASIC's investigation really reveals. There's a massive divide in our industry, and it comes down to one crucial question. Are they targeting vulnerable people in crisis or serving clients who are financially stable? At MyCRA Lawyers, we've operated differently since day one. Yes, our legal fees are higher, and you know what? That's actually protection for our clients, not exploitation. Let me explain why. Our clients aren't people in active financial hardship. They're individuals who have gotten back on their feet financially but still have credit file problems from the past. Think about it. If someone can afford proper legal representation, it means they're no longer in that desperate financial situation that predatory operators exploit. They can make informed decisions instead of grasping at unrealistic promises. Since we incorporated MyCRA Lawyers in 2013, building on my credit repair experience since 2009, we've been regulated by the Queensland Law Society. That means professional indemnity insurance protects our clients, trust accounts safeguard their money, continuing legal education keeps us current with consumer credit law, and professional conduct monitoring ensures accountability. Compare that to the companies ASIC is investigating right now. ASIC just fined Chapter 2 Holdings for falsely claiming they'd wiped $80 million in debt. Pure marketing fiction designed to fool desperate people. Want to see what real legal results look like? We helped Jason remove his Westpac Baycorp default, not through marketing tricks, but through legitimate legal processes. We raised issues about missing Section 88 notices, inadequate credit guides under Section 160 of the National Consumer Credit Protection Act, and breaches of general conduct requirements under Section 47. In another extreme example, Tom, not his real name, had a default listed on his Equifax credit report by Budget Rent a Car for a massive $649,375,941. It took MyCRA Lawyers a fraction over 3 months to have the unbelievable default completely removed and the debt lowered to an insignificant $1,797. These aren't just marketing claims, they're documented legal procedures that work because they're based on actual consumer credit law expertise. Here's another key difference ASIC's investigation highlights: communication and transparency. While they found companies that couldn't explain their lack of progress to clients, we've built our entire practice on the opposite approach. Through our TikTok account, tiktok.com/@MyCRALawyers, we provide free credit repair guidance to thousands of Australians. We're not just marketing, we're educating people and sharing knowledge freely, even when it doesn't directly benefit our business. This transparency extends to everything we do. We explain not just what we're doing for clients, but why specific legal strategies are being used and what outcomes can realistically be expected. ASIC found that predatory operators target people still struggling financially, promising impossible quick fixes. Our premium model serves a completely different population, people who have moved beyond immediate financial crisis and are now ready to invest in professional legal services to properly clean up their credit files. When someone can afford legal fees, it typically means they're no longer in those desperate circumstances that predatory operators exploit. They can make rational decisions about professional services instead of being driven by financial desperation. If you're considering credit repair services, ASIC's investigation gives you a clear roadmap of what to look for and what to avoid. Choose providers who are transparently regulated, one who can demonstrate genuine legal expertise, and who work with financially stable clients rather than targeting people in crisis. At MyCRA Lawyers, we've been helping good people out of bad situations for over 15 years. Our premium service model ensures we work with clients who are ready to invest in professional legal representation for lasting credit file improvements. ASIC's investigation will lead to increased scrutiny of our industry, and that's actually great news for legitimate operators and consumers alike. As the regulator works to strengthen practices and address consumer harm, the distinction between premium legal services and predatory operators will become crystal clear. For over 16 years, I've built MyCRA Lawyers on the belief that good people sometimes find themselves in bad situations through no fault of their own, because the credit reporting system in Australia is grossly unfair to honest Australians. But ASIC's investigation proves what I've always said: not all credit repair services are created equal. Choose wisely. Choose professionals who are accountable to both their clients and their regulatory bodies. For free credit repair guidance, check out our channel at tiktok.com/@MyCRA Lawyers or call us on 1300 667 218 to discuss how proper legal representation can help you achieve genuine, lasting credit repair results. I'm Graham Doessel, and remember, when it comes to credit repair, professional expertise and regulatory accountability aren't luxuries, they're necessities.